In this video, I'm going to show you how to use FxPro. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, once you create your account, you're going to be redirected over here to your dashboard, and then here you can basically go ahead and start using your FxPro account for trading or whatever you want to do. Now here you have at the top left, it says wallet and accounts. Click on that, and over here you'll be able to see your own wallet. Now here you can see your balance, you can withdraw, you can transfer, and you can even fund your wallet and view your transaction history. Now, to be able to withdraw and transfer, first you of course have to activate your profile by clicking up here. You'll have to upload your documents, get verified, and after you do that, you'll receive basically full control of your account. I haven't done this just yet, so I have to do this if I actually want to withdraw, transfer, etc. Here, you also can see your trading account, so a real one, which gets created whenever you actually create your account. You can go ahead and see you can fund it, and then you can click on those three dots, see the account info, or create a new one. And you can also click on the trade button to actually go ahead and start trading, or you can go to demo accounts, where you can create different demo accounts you can then use either on MT5 or as a web terminal used by FxPro, which I'm going to showcase in a few seconds over here when we finish this walkthrough. Now, this is kind of the base part where you're going to be spending most of your time. Of course, you can also go to the deposit tab, and inside deposit tab, you can then go ahead and basically deposit using one of these methods over here. So Google Pay, your card, PayPal, Neteller, Skrill. So you have a bunch of different ones, such as bank transfer, etc. And you can go ahead and basically deposit on the funds onto your account just like this. Here on the left, you can also see tools, so you can see your FxPro dashboard, your economic calendar, and then the calculator as well, in case you want to use that. Over here, let me load that, there we go. This is kind of the all-in-one FX calculator, which is actually very handy as well. You can put in a different currency pairs, account currency, etc., and it's going to calculate different things for you. And then down here, you also have the analytics and education, where you can go ahead and get some help and get educated on the topics. Now, here you can also get the app for Apple or Google or Android, of course. You can just scan this to download it on your account as well if you want to get the app to your phone too. And of course, up top, you can change the language into any of these on your screen right now. You can see your recent notifications. You can go into your profile, set your details, settings, etc. Okay, so that's kind of the base usage. But if you want to go ahead and start trading, go to Wallet and Accounts, select one of your accounts you'd like to trade with, click on Trade, and then here you can select, as I said, the FxPro Web Terminal or MT5. So if you want to use MT5, download that and you can get connected. This is your server, your login, and the password is going to be sent to your email whenever you create your new account. And after that, I'm going to just open up the FxPro Web Terminal, which is basically this over here. You can go ahead and start trading. Here, as you can see, it's pretty convenient and very easy to use. On the left, you can see the new updates. You can go ahead and open up a new, basically box inside this dashboard. You can create a new order, which can be market, limit, or stop. You can set your stop losses, take profits, etc. And then over here, you can also see your account performance, how it's doing. You can click on here, which is going to basically take you to a separate website, where, as you can see, you can sign into your profile again, and then you'll be able to deposit or withdraw money there. You can set and edit price alerts on here. And here you, of course, have your settings. You have your quick trade settings as well. You have your FxPro conversations. And then down here, you can set feedback and get some help. Now, up here, of course, you can basically just go ahead and set your pairs. Here you can create your orders, and then in here you can do your technical analysis, draw on the charts, stuff like that, and you can then go ahead and, of course, get into trading. Now, that's pretty much how you use that. It's actually very convenient and easy, so I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.